In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Whop account. By the end, your account will be verified and better protected, so let's walk through it together at a comfortable pace. Start by heading to the Whop home feed in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your account settings. Once you're on the home feed, look to the top right corner and click Profile. This opens your personal menu. From there, select the Settings gear icon to open the full settings area. Inside Settings, choose Account Security. This is the hub for verification and protective features. First, you'll see the option to add a phone number. This helps confirm your identity and is useful for account recovery and login alerts. Click Add, then carefully type your phone number, including the correct country code. Double check that the number is active and that you have the device nearby. When you're ready, click Send Code. A confirmation code will be sent to your phone. Follow the on-screen prompt to complete verification. If a code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and ensure your signal is strong before requesting another. While you're in account security, this is a great time to set up two-factor authentication, which adds an extra lock on your account. Select two-factor authentication and you'll see two choices. The Authenticator app option is recommended because it generates time-based codes that work even without cell service, and it's generally more secure. Open your preferred Authenticator app, scan the QR code shown, and confirm the code it provides to finish setup. If you prefer simplicity, you can choose text message. With SMS, you'll receive a code via text each time you sign in. Make sure your phone number is correct and accessible. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Never share verification or authentication codes with anyone, and if you're given backup or recovery options, store them in a safe place. That's it. Your Whop account is now verified and much more secure.